last day here in Amanpulo and later, flight na natin pabalik sa Manila. We tried to wake up early today. It's now 4:46. Well, ako, gising na. Pero si Pipo and Cyril, hindi pa gigisingin ko pa lang. Let's try to catch the sunrise. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Ayan, gising na yung dalawa. Let's go to the lagoon. Doon tayo mag-abang ng sunrise. Mukhang nagsisimula na. Do you hear the sounds? May suset na dalang mamahal. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Lagoon Club. Dito pa lang medyo nakikita ko na yung sunrise. Wow! Nandito lang yung hangin ngayon. So nice. Good morning. Okay, so nandito na kami sa Lagoon Club. Dito na kami mag-aantay ng sunrise. So, upo lang kami rito and we'll just enjoy the view. Medyo siya, no? Medyo cloudy. Lakad-lakad tayo ng konti dito. Sarap po, ang peaceful, oh. See? So, umaabot pala hanggang dito yung tubig. Look at the water. Ganda ng kulay. Ang hangin lang. Look, we saw a small turtle. I think it's gonna go to the shore.
Let me just follow this
Yeah.
this little guy.
You're going to the shore? Kaya nga mag-isa lang siya. Where's your mom, bro? Careful, baby. Huwag ka masyado lumapit sa kanya.
Circle girly.
How do you know? Can I just follow him?
Yeah. Go, you can do it. We're cheering for you.
Go. Go to your home.
Ayan siya. Ganyan siya kalaya from the sea. Ayan pa. Okay. Napapagod ata siya, baby, ano? Almost there.
That's why he's stopping.
Yeah. It's so cute.
Almost there. Go, go. Go, go.
Yan na. Bye!
Bye-bye, turtle.
Oh, nadapa pa. Bye! There he is! Bye! Ayun o. Wala na. Ayun o. Ayun siya o. Ayun o. Galing!
Yeah.
Of course! Ang cute! Are you happy? That's such a pleasant surprise!
Magpa-safe naman siya ngayon sa ano.
Kaya nga eh.
Daddy, nagdadaktak.
Grabe, ang saya namin nakakita kami ng baby turtle going to the sea. Okay, tapos na kami mag-sunrise watching. Although, hindi ganong putok yung araw. Swerte namin kasi nakakita kami ng baby turtle. Tuwan-tuwa talaga ako. So, balik muna kami sa room. Tapos, labas kami mamaya for check-out and breakfast. See you later! What?
I want to go back.
You wanna go back here? Okay, so nakapag-ready na kami. Punta na kami sa clubhouse for check-out. Last ride. Bye, Casita. Okay, let's go to the clubhouse for check-out. Hello, checking out po. Dungkot, uwi na kami.
Still have time to to extend.
Okay, dito na kami magbe-breakfast sa clubhouse. I think same lang yung menu, no? Yeah. Mas peaceful mag-breakfast dito, no? Sa clubhouse, considering na it's a Saturday. Yung huling punta natin, dito din tayo nag-last breakfast nun eh.
Ay talaga.
Yeah. Hungry na si Cyril. Hello, can I check?
Yes po. I'm so sorry.
It's all good. So, here's our final bill. Okay. Okay, nasettle na natin yung bill. Breakfast na tayo. Nandito na yung order natin. Okay, our breakfast is here. I have the beef tapa. And then there's French toast. And the macchiato. Caesarea bacon.
Guys, hey, go.
Oh, flies water. For the flies. So you have the bacon and the egg. And si Daddy arroz caldo.
Yeah.
Let's
No
eat.
flies can get to me.
tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Then after nito, pupunta na kami dun sa airport. Malapit lang naman siya dito. Grabe, sobrang saya ng trip na to. For us, worth it. Yung pagpunta rito sa Amanpulo. Si Suril nga ayaw pang umuwi. Tingnan mo. You don't wanna go home yet? Ikaw, mahal, nag-enjoy ka?
Sobra.
Sobra. Yeah. So, anyway, tapusin lang namin to. And then, we'll go to the airport. That's it for now. We'll see you on our next trip.